Hi, this is PZ Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to protect your IP address on WhatsApp calls. Before you get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! You can protect your Internet Protocol IP address from other on WhatsApp calls by relaying all of your calls through WhatsApp server. If you turn on Protect IP address in calls, your calls won't be connected directly and will avoid revealing your IP address to the person you're calling. So how to enable this feature on your WhatsApp? So simple. So first you can just open your WhatsApp and you can go to the settings by tap on the upper right corner, the three dots over here. Tap on settings. Now you can just scroll down. There is an option privacy. You can just tap on that. You can just scroll down and you'll find there is an option advanced. You can just tap on that. So here's the protect IP address. You can enable by tapping the toggle until it turns to green color like this. So to make it harder for people to invert your location, calls on this device will be securely relayed through WhatsApp server. This will reduce the call quality if you turn on this feature. So simple, right? So now you have protect your IP address when you're on WhatsApp calls. So that is how to protect your IP address on WhatsApp calls. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.